Have you ever noticed something interesting about life? When you're struggling, nobody really cares. When you're building yourself, nobody really claps. But when you finally start growing, suddenly those people getting jealous and starts thinking what he can do. Do you know who I'm talking about? I'm just talking. I always say that relatives are our followers because they know all our things and share them with others, such as your marks, your grade, your job, your salary, and everything else. That's why I said that relatives are our followers. That's how it works. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Real growth is never loud. It doesn't come with announcements. It doesn't need validation. And it definitely doesn't depend on people's opinions, especially when it comes to family and relatives. You know how to make relatives jealous of you? I will tell you now how to grow financially in my own style. That is, your own relatives should not be surprised and come to you and tell you to teach our son about business, but rather they should beg you and make them jealous by seeing you. That is, make a video of the things you buy, such as a car or bike unboxing, and share the video with them on TikTok or WhatsApp. Then call them home and throw a party saying that I have bought a big car so that their stomachs will burn. And after that, you should give another party to that party and set it on fire even more. Then, when you build a big house, if you put a single line on a board in front of that house, your relatives will not even talk to you that day. That is, relatives are not allowed. It is wrong to do other things, but this must be done, because relatives are of no use to you. Relatives talk about you, but they do not benefit you. They only hurt you in other ways. They do not deserve you if they talk about you to others. This is not for everyone. Some people are happy to see your success, but some are getting of your success jealous. But for such people, you need to set fire to their stomachs. Not just their stomachs, but also their bottoms, and make their bottoms red like lava. Okay, let's talk like a good person. At the beginning, you might feel like you're being compared. Someone is doing better. Someone has more money. Someone has a better job. And slowly, without realizing it, you start carrying pressure. But let me tell you something important. You don't win life by reacting to comparisons. You win life by ignoring distractions and focusing on your path. Because while others are talking, you should be working. While others are judging, you should be learning. While others are wasting time, you should be building. And slowly, things change. Not overnight, not magically, but quietly. Your habits improve. Your decisions get smarter. Your financial stability grows. And one day, people who never believed in your journey start noticing the difference. Some will respect it. Some will stay silent. Some will feel uncomfortable. But that's not your concern anymore. Because you're no longer living for reactions, you're living for results. And here's the mindset shift you need to understand. You don't need to prove your success to anyone. Your success will automatically speak for you. So instead of thinking about how others feel about your growth, focus on becoming someone you are proud of. Work in silence, build in silence, grow in silence. Because when results finally speak, you won't need to explain anything.
I hope you like the video. This is Money Strategy YouTube account, and I'm RALORS, so this is RALORS Explanation.